Hey, yo! Beer review time! Coming at you live once again from Daft Punk is playing at my house. It's time. It's time. We've been, you don't need to see my towel. We've been circling around this one for a while. This is the last one from the Belching Beaver beers. Shout out to my guy Rio at Rehab Station, and our girl Farley for putting us in touch with Rio to understand that they have a plethora of beers from Belching Beaver. Shout out to the good people at Belching Beaver in California, Oceanside, California. All right, so Fall of Troy Orange Vanilla Double IPA. Well, I don't know, whoever's watching right now, I don't know how well you watching right now, how well you know me, if you know me well, or if you just found this randomly on the internets, but Orange Vanilla Double IPA, that's fucking right up my alley. Like, all the fucking way up my alley. That sounds awesome. So I've had it in the fridge. It's the last one. We did the other ones. I don't know why I put it off for so long. It's probably because it's a double. Usually when I get back or first thing in the morning, I don't want to do a review of a double IPA by myself. But we're home early tonight. Had a few beers, not drunk, ready for another. Let's fucking go. Originally brewed for our 6-year anniversary, we're bringing back a fan favorite with a dubious beginning. Let's just say it was a mistake, Troy's mistake, which proved to be a happy accident. This mosaic hop-laden DIPA is smooth and juicy with notes of orange and vanilla. Troy is hereby inducted into our Brewers Hall of Shame, alongside other legendary brewers like Ivan the Terrible and Josh Dammit. I don't know what any of that means, but I'm fucking super excited. Orange Vanilla Double IPA. We do one sip, we give it a score 0 to 10, we try one beer every day until we've tried them all. We're on a mission from God. It smells pretty good. We got high hopes, folks. We got high hopes. All right, so we do one sip. Everybody knows the rules. Let's see what we got. Yeah, fuck, yeah. So this is it. I remember the brewery I work at here in Saigon, Vietnam, Pasteur Street Brewing Company. At one point we tried to do like an orange chocolate IPA, and it was well-intentioned. We were going for this like Korean Jeju tangerine chocolate thing, and the chocolate came through, but the orange didn't really, and it just didn't really work. This is kind of the flavor we were after, so we should have just used vanilla instead of chocolate, and I'm just realizing this now, and I might float that back up the chain again, because this beer tastes exactly like what I had in my mind when we were talking about that beer. One sip, everybody knows the rules. It's really nice. We didn't say, what do we got? ABV? Where's the ABV? It's a double. How strong? 8.8% alcohol by volume. Fair. If I was a lesser beer reviewer, I would hit you with an 8.8 score to match the ABV, but it's better than that. It's really good. So we did a whole run of Belching Beaver beers. Shout out to my guy James Jalokia and Bobby Garrison. Bobby was the first one to bring back a Belching Beaver. This is my favorite. Easily. This is my favorite of the Belching Beaver beers that we've done. It's really good. It says it's a brewer's accident. Happy accident. It's so fucking balanced. It does not taste like an 8.8% beer. The orange notes, the vanilla notes, they're fucking harmonious. Like that. We fucking love it. It's really good. I'm gonna go back to shout out to. Did I say I said Rio? Did I mention his bar, Rehab Station? That's where all the beers are. I'm gonna go back and see if there's any more of this because this is awesome. It's a 9.3. All the other Belching Beavers had this kind of weird note that I noticed that not a lot of other people did, so maybe I'm crazy. This one is fucking awesome. And they were good despite the weird note, but this one is awesome. Orangey, vanilla-y, double IPA-y. Fucking go get it. 9.3. That's a review.